ردا على هذا العدوان نفذت القوات المسلحة بعون الله تعالى عملية عسكرية نوعية استهدفت من خلالها حاملة الطائرات الأمريكية USS هاري ترومان والقطع الحربية التابعة لها شمالي البحر الأحمر، وذلك ب18 صاروخا باليستيا ومجنحا وطائرة مسيرة في عملية مشتركة نفذتها القوة الصاروخية وكذلك سلاح الجو المسير والقوات البحرية. إن القوات المسلحة اليمنية لن تتردد في استهداف كافة القطع الحربية الأمريكية في البحرين الأحمر والعربي رداً على العدوان على بلدنا.
On March 16, 2025, Yemen's Houthi rebels claimed they launched an attack on the USS Harry S. Truman aircraft carrier and its accompanying warships in the northern Red Sea. The group stated they fired 18 ballistic and cruise missiles, along with drones, targeting the U.S. naval forces. In response, U.S. warships intercepted and neutralized the incoming drones, preventing any damage to the carrier strike group. This escalation followed U.S. airstrikes in Yemen, ordered by President Donald Trump, targeting Houthi leadership and infrastructure. The airstrikes resulted in significant casualties, with reports indicating at least 54 deaths and 98 injuries, including civilians. The U.S. administration emphasized that these military actions aim to protect international shipping routes in the Red Sea and deter further Houthi attacks on commercial vessels. National Security Advisor Mike Waltz warned that all options, including potential strikes on Iran, are being considered to curb the Houthis' capabilities and address Iran's support for the rebel group. This incident marks a significant escalation in the ongoing conflict, raising concerns about further destabilization in the region and the potential for broader international involvement.